Hello guys, today we prepare a BABA GANOUSH recipe from Middle East. If you are vegetarian or vegan, you can eat also this recipe. It's very good. For this recipe we need 3 eggplants or 3 aubergine, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of tahini sauce, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. The tahini sauce, I have already posted the video. If you don't want to make the tahini sauce, you can use 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Now we need to cook the aubergine. You have 3 options. I will cook in the oven at the top of the level near the grill. In this way the skin will be a little bit burnt. You can do on the barbecue, that is the best way, but if you have not the oven, not the barbecue, you can do on the stove. On the stove you chop the aubergine and you cook until they are soft, adding a little bit of water. But we will do in the oven, so I'll show you in this way. So now I put the aubergine in the oven. See you later to complete our puree. After 40-45 minutes I off the oven and leave the aubergine inside 10-15 minutes. Now they are still hot, so be careful. I will remove the skin, I will put in a jar, and with the mixer I will work all the ingredients together. See you at the end for the tasting. Spectacular, especially with the Arabic bread or the bread without yeast. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like and to watch all the other videos. Bye bye!